We're going to show you how to clear the air from the color ink tubes on your HP SmartTank 670 or 6000 printer series. Now, if you were to open the ink access door and you find that there is air in the ink tubes, for this case the color, you can do a prime. So here's how to do the prime for the color ink tubes. From the control panel, make sure your printer is awake and not asleep. If you need to wake up the printer, simply press on the cancel button once. So with the printer awake, press on the power button and hold it there for at least 4 seconds. After that, press on the color copy button twice and the black copy button 4 times. And release the power button. You will hear some noises coming from the printer. It is doing a priming of the color ink tubes. Once the printer is back in the ready state, you can check the ink tubes again. So this is how you clear the air in the ink tubes for your HP SmartTank 670 or 6000 printer series.